All right, introduction to computers. This is Wednesday, 9/5, week 2. We reviewed our topics here. We actually talked about ROM for the first time, read-only memory. We reviewed RAM memory, random access memory. First time we mentioned RAM. We talked about storage, and then we talked about how an operating system is loaded into memory. We can load in a application software like Word, and then the blue part there, we were talking about loading data files in, and all that starts to use up your memory. We use the task manager to show that on the computer, and we talked about how we have something that we're working on here or something we pulled up, and how we can store it over here on a server on our H drive. Talked about authentication. You get authenticated to get into the network, and then you're authorized to be able to go to certain places on the network. Then we also talked about hardware, what hardware was. I'm not going to go through all that, but we talked about all the devices and so forth, the hardware. And then the hardware isn't any good without the software. And we talked about the two major types of software: system software and applications. System software deals with communicating to the hardware. Applications deal with the system software. And applications basically work with the operating system. So an application, like Microsoft Word, would have to run in conjunction with a particular operating system, like Windows 7. Okay? And who deals with the application? People, or users, or experts, however you might want to look at that. Okay? And we did some things on the computer and had a little bit of time to answer some individual questions afterwards today. And so that's it.